Hey guys, thank you for joining. You can agree with me that there are some things at home that look insignificant but are very important at times. For example, like your pressure cooker. You pick up your pressure cooker like I did today, the nozzle is missing on it and you cannot cook your rice. You're stuck with it. You either have to throw it or then go get a new one. I'm here, I'm gonna take you and show you how to fix it at home, so you don't have to throw it away, you don't have to spend money to buy a new nozzle in a pressure cooker. Is very important because it keeps the pressure from escaping. I'm going to take you through a journey on how to completely do it at home and fix it by yourself at little or no cost to you if you just have a few tools. And in this repair, what you will need is just wire and wire, because steel is very important. I started the video by using copper, but I noticed that copper is not really good when it comes to cooking food. So I had to use a steel, and steel is good when it comes to cooking food and all that, stainless steel. Please stay with me and I'll take you right now. Sometimes it can be very challenging if you pick up your rice cooker and you find that something is missing with the cover. These rice cookers sometimes they come in very handy, especially if you just want to cook rice really quick. I wanted to cook rice and I noticed that this part had fallen off from my rice cooker. So without this, it will not save any pressure to cook your rice. And so I decided to take it apart and fix it. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to fix this cover. Usually there is something on the inside holding it from sliding out. Yeah, this is exactly how that piece is supposed to be. It is made out of copper. However, copper is not really good for you. This is made out of steel, and this is exactly how that piece is supposed to look like. And steel is okay for you as far as cooking food and all is concerned. And that particular piece is missing. I don't know what happened. Someone else used the port and that part is missing. So right now I'm just gonna try to make do. I'm gonna put something else here to stop the pressure from escaping. And how I'm gonna do that, I'm going to use this, get a piece of cable from here. I'm gonna use this tool and I'm gonna show you how to fix yours at home if you find that you have that part missing. So I'm just gonna take out this piece of cable like this. I'm gonna strip that piece of cable. Like that, strip it like that, and I'm gonna take that piece and I'm gonna put it in, slide it out like that, and then I'm gonna roll this piece of wire around like that, all the way around. And roll that around, and I'm gonna cut it like that. Cut it like right there. Cut the other piece. Cut it just enough that when I roll it around, it's just gonna sit in place. You see what I'm doing? If you look at this, you see how it flushes here when it sits down. That holds the air from escaping. So when there's pressure inside the board, it pushes against these and it's cooking your rice or whatever you're cooking. But whenever it's ready and the pressure is all out, and this thing will fall down. So when you're cooking, this thing is down. Eventually at some point you see it goes off. This happens when there's build up pressure in the rice cooker, thereby blocking all the pressure from escaping and helping to cook the rice. That's why that nozzle stays up until the rice is cooked and is finished for safety reasons, and that's exactly what it's doing. It's a very simple mechanism, and it just seals your pressure from escaping while you cook. And as you can see, I just did this right now and I show you how well this works. This is just a piece of copper wire, and you can use this. It looks very minute, but it's very, very important. Without this, you cannot pressure cook anything. Without this pot is useless. And so I thought it was better to share that idea. If you get run into this, you can fix yours and learn something from here. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe and share so I can be able to make more videos so we can learn from it. Thank you.